This is the available colors of the 2024 Tacoma TRD Off-Road. There's this Solar Octane, which is your token burnt orange kind of color for $425. Pretty reasonable and comparable to other car priced options. Then there is the Bronze Oxide for free, which some might call baby poo green. And then there is also a Ice Cap White for free. It's okay. Underground, which is a very charcoal, almost black, and then it's very close to this celestial silver metallic. Oh, forgive me, it's not. That's just the confusion here. And this is straight up black. That's what that looks like. Rounding it out, supersonic red. You can compare that to the burnt orange color here. And then, by the way, you can see that that too is a priced option at $425. Last but not least, there is the Blue Crush Metallic for free. I don't like that. It doesn't look like blue to me. It looks purple. What do you think?